Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to uncover player 1 and get the coin in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the reveal player close 1. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event and complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. So this one, tap the news and this is a mystery signing is back with a twist. Uncover hints about two featured player over the week and then choose your favorite to add to your squad. So you can learn this campaign. And let's tap this one, mystery signings. So in previous video, I already unlocked player 1 clue. So this one, it's uncover player 1 coin at 30,000. Just tap free so you can get this a untradeable 87. So if you wanna uncover this, you have to tap this first, uncover player 1, and you will also get 30,000 coin. Let's try. Tap free button, tap to open, continue, so you can get 30,000 a coin. Tap continue. And this one, Musa Diaby. He is a Aston Villa player, right midfielder from France, with work rate attacking high and work rate defensive low. So it's very useful for manager mode, especially. So if you want this guy, Musa Diaby, you can tap this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.